Okay, we are going to start today with the nutrition in plants or nutrition in autotrophs. Now, let us see the nutrition in autotrophs which prepare their own food. In the image, you can see the various things required for autotrophic nutrition, that is carbon dioxide, chlorophyll, water and mineral, and as a result of sunlight, these are all the things that are required. The process involved is known as photosynthesis. Now, you have already learned photosynthesis in your previous classes also. Let us define the photosynthesis. It is a process where the green plant utilizes sunlight in the presence of chlorophyll, water, mineral and carbon dioxide and manufacture or prepare their own food and releases the oxygen as a byproduct. The food produced is in the form of starch or glucose, which is further converted to starch. Now, the leaves are having the chlorophyll in them, and this chlorophyll pigment is responsible for absorption of sunlight. The carbon dioxide is also absorbed by the leaves. The leaves have tiny pores which are called stomata. Through diffusion, the carbon dioxide gets in the stomata. After that, the water and minerals are present in the soil and they are absorbed by the roots and they reach the plant. So, the plant is basically utilizing these inorganic material and they prepare the organic food, which is basically starch or sucrose. Now, let us see the various steps that are involved in the process of photosynthesis. Now, when you see the process of photosynthesis, there are three steps in it. First of all, the light energy will be absorbed by the chlorophyll and that light energy will be converted to chemical energy. After that, the second step is the splitting of water. That is, whatever water is absorbed, that water molecule will be broken down and that breaking will gives us oxygen and hydrogen. So, oxygen is released as a byproduct by the second step, which is splitting of water. The third step is reduction of carbon dioxide. Now, I have already told you that carbon dioxide is absorbed by stomata. So, this carbon dioxide is reduced to form the carbohydrate, which is sucrose or starch. You can see the pictorial view, all these processes are shown here. Now, out of these three steps, the step number 1 and step number 2, that is the absorption of light by chlorophyll, and second step, that is splitting of water to give hydrogen and oxygen, they essentially need the presence of sunlight, and that is why these two steps are known as light reaction. The third reaction, that is reduction of carbon dioxide to carbohydrate, it may occur in presence of sunlight also and can occur in absence of sunlight also. That is, it does not essentially need sun or sunlight. That is why it is known as dark reaction. So, photosynthesis is categorized into two reactions, light reaction and dark reaction. Now, again let us see, the three events are given. You can read them from the image: absorption of light energy by chlorophyll, conversion of light energy to chemical energy and splitting of water to hydrogen and oxygen, and reduction of carbon dioxide to carbohydrate. Step number 1 and 2 is light reaction because it requires the availability of sun. If sun is not there, then these two steps cannot take place. The third step may occur in presence or absence of sunlight. That is why it is known as the dark reaction. This is all for the day. Now, in tomorrow's class, we are going to learn about the part that is directly involved in the process of photosynthesis, that is leaf. We are going to learn about the external and the internal structure of leaf in detail. Thank you.